water, it was all computer-generated image, so I'd want them to do that, and then I'd have it. And I could take it underwater. Which, speaking of, they just added the Crawdaddy boat from us. Right next door to the Transformers tank, which is about 75% plywood. PVC pipe. And I know, we only had one Fast and Furious car over there. You'll see the rest of them later on the tour. But if you did not know, a lot of them have been used for Fast 10. That's right, Fast 10 is filming right now. Fast 11 already being planned. This is our #1 most popular franchise. You are all to blame for this.
George, that's not George. That's a shower. Let's see what happens, shall we? It's just we're gonna do the same. I don't know about you guys. Yeah, well, I think the Genie fan, so you're not gonna say it's true. This one is also sort of take the back. Well, luckily we'll be safe in all these moments. This feels right. This is fine. Yes, I hate to sound dramatic, but this is it. This is the act out of the tour for our life. We spent my last week. He was terrorizing the crew because he wasn't working. They actually kept on calling him performance because he would just sing when he was in the water. Crazy stuff for a 27-year-old. That's how old Stephen was when he directed Jaws, which is insane to me. Now also, Verna Fields, the editor of Jaws, she was the one who helped make the movie, in my opinion, and a lot of others. There wasn't a lot of footage of that shark. She was the one that was like...
Nostalgic, small-time, Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Juke Park. Over there, look into the winking room and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Share. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? What? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Basso experience. Built to showcase behind this hollow fence. Welcome to the world of no.
just yet. I'll let y'all know when.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill,
That's right, party's over.
you know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got you. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Complex suggestion clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss. Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Cops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to go.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.